So because the holes in the harmonica correspond with certain notes, once you know the notes for a song, it'd be pretty easy to play the song. It's just going to be the timing and remembering the notes that's going to be the difficult part. My name is Max, and last week I decided I should learn how to play harmonica. So I went on Amazon and got this puppy for 11 bucks. This Fender Blues Deluxe fine piece of tin sandwich. So I'm going to attempt to do my best to learn this in the next few days. So I did a little bit of research and found out there's a couple ways that you can learn songs on a harmonica. The first one and the easier one is tabs, which basically tells you which one of these holes you need to either blow through or suck out of, and that corresponds with the song, or you can read regular sheet music. So I've been practicing just playing notes for a while, and I figured it's time to move on and choose a song for my challenge for this one. Iconic Piano Man by Billy Joel. So the beginning sounds a little bit more like the actual song, but obviously I got a lot more fine tuning to do to make it actually sound as Billy Joel intended. It's really easy to read the tabs, but the issue is it doesn't show me how long I need to hold each note. So even if I hit the right note, if I'm not playing them the right time, it doesn't really sound like the song at all. I learned you don't want to just press your lips up to it. You kind of want to just really go at it and put your mouth like around the back side of this, and it seems to give it a much better tone. So this is just pressing my mouth up to it. This is going at it. I come to you today with terrible news. My harmonica has gone missing. Now I'm suspecting sabotage. Just in case it wasn't, I made up some lost posters that I'm going to distribute around town. It's been a few days and surprise, surprise, I haven't received any calls from my lost flyers. So I went ahead and just bought another harmonica. I really splurged on this one, $35 instead of $11. It's the Horner Special 20. Looks pretty much the same. So we'll see if it sounds any better or different. So I learned in order to be considered a true harmonica player, you have to be able to do what's called bending notes. And I guess what that is basically making a note flatter. Do that by shaping your mouth in a certain way that when you draw air in, it changes the sound of the note. And I guess there's a few ways to do that, pretending like you're pulling your tongue in the back of your mouth, I guess. Another one is moving your jaw up and down. Then the third one is making certain sounds as you're drawing the air back. I made a pretty big mistake. I know my goal was to learn the harmonica portion of Piano Man, so I thought, hey, I should learn the piano portion too, and then cut them together for the entire song. So I spent about 12 hours learning and then recording the piano portion, and then I realized, listening back, that the version that I learned completely skips the harmonica portion. Now, the harmonica portion is actually pretty easy. So instead of relearning an entire new version, I'm just going to play harmonica over the melody of the song and then call it good. So it's hard to consider a skill learned that doesn't have a defined end, but it took me 12 hours and 47 minutes to learn the basic fundamentals of harmonica and a few short songs, so that's got to be worth something, if not just for the memes, I guess. Anyways, thanks for watching.